Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time, I haven't posted in like months, but I'm back. This video is a little bit different from my videos I post. So I'm planning on starting a phone case business very soon, and I just want to film videos of me, like, making phone cases, just my journey making phone cases. So hope you guys will be interested and watch those videos as well. That's coming soon. So today I'll be unboxing my printer. I ordered it like the end of August, and I received it in the very beginning of September, and it's October 1st, and I'm now like opening it. So yeah, so I'm just gonna open my printer and set it up and put the ink in and everything. So that's what I'm gonna do today. It's actually a sublimation printer, so I have to put sublimation ink inside. So I don't know how to do that, but we're gonna figure it out today. So yeah, so let's get into it. I had opened the box like yesterday or something, yesterday or the day before yesterday, and I was looking at it because this was on the top. This was on the top, and I was looking at it and I was like, why do I have cartridges? I'm supposed to get liquid ink, right, and fill it into the I guess the empty cartridges in here, but these are like filled. I don't know like how to explain it, but yeah. So I was like, did they send me the wrong printer? So here it said a whole different printer. It said the Epson Workforce 2750, and I got scared. I was like, I ordered the Epson ET 2750, and I'm just like, let me just peek and see if it's the actual printer. And then they just messed up the packaging on top, the manual and the CD and the ink. I called them yesterday to get the right ink, even though I don't need the ink. I would like to have the manual and ink just for some, just to have. But sorry if I'm chatting, but yeah, I just wanted to say that. I'm gonna put it on top of this table, and then I'll just take off all the tapes, and then from there I'll just put the ink in. This is how it looks. I like it, it's cute. Anyways, some more ASMR, taking off the tape. I'm gonna be quiet now. Alright, so I finished taking off all the tape, I believe. Wait, is there tape here? So this is how it looks. It looks nice, I like it. Don't mind my table, it's kind of dirty and old, but it's useful right now for this printer. So anyways, this is the inside. Sorry for making so much noise. Okay, so this is the inside, and here are the tanks. I put the ink in, so I'm supposed to I guess I'm supposed to use a syringe, which I do have, because the ink that comes with this is like the top is made to put on top, so it can just go inside. Like the ink just like flows inside, if that makes sense. But since I'm using a different ink for this printer, I'm gonna be using a syringe. You guys gonna see me do that. I'm gonna go get the ink and show you guys. So this is the ink. I got it on Amazon. If you guys are wondering, I got it on Amazon. And it also comes with a syringe. Yeah, it's 4 syringes because it's 4 different inks, so obviously it will be 4. And it comes with gloves, so that's good too. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna put the gloves on because I don't want to stain my hand up. So keep it here. This is the black. Ooh, we got the blue here. We got the magenta. It's pretty. Last color, yellow. My favorite color, yellow. It won't focus. Orange. Put it on top. Make sure it's secure because I don't want to be like trying to fill it in and then it just pops out and get all over the place because I'll be mad. I'm gonna plug it in first and then put the ink in. Here's the plug. So slow, it's this. Ooh, blue. So it pops up like which language you speak. So I obviously speak English, so I'm gonna pick English. Now I'm gonna fill the black up. Open that. And then guess I just put it in here. Ooh. The black tank is bigger, so it's gonna take more ink than the other ones because this is like almost done. Like I think like it will be finished when I get to the top of the tank. So the black is finished. Look how dirty I got it. The black is finished. I'm gonna go change my gloves so I can do the yellow. Now we're doing yellow, guys. Look how pretty this yellow is. Yellow is so pretty. Now for magenta. So this is how much is left back. Now we have the blue. So we're finished with the blue. Same amount left, like the yellow and magenta. So now it says, I don't know if I should have, because I didn't get the manual and I wasn't patient enough to wait for it. So, because they said they will send it to me in the mail in 2 to 3 business days, and I was like, I'm just gonna have to figure this out on my own. So, you know, it says, I'm gonna close this. Make sure all of these are closed. Close this. How the ink looks inside the tanks. This is how it is. I wish the black had went all the way up here, but it's fine. The yellow and the magenta. The magenta needs a little bit more to go up to the top here, and the blue is fine. Everything's good. So let's start the initialization that it says here. See the start here sheet to complete initialization. So I guess fill the tanks. Okay, so I was supposed to fill the tanks. At least I did that right. Fill the tanks with ink and hold down where's the question mark? Question mark for more than 3 seconds. Okay, I filled the tanks up. So now I'll hold this down for 3 seconds. And it says start initialization. Confirm that the tanks are filled with ink. Do not turn the power off until initialization is complete. This takes about 10 minutes. All right, guys, I lowered the camera so you guys can see what's going on here. I think it's been about 5 minutes, so it's past the halfway mark. So yeah, so it's almost finished, and it was making a lot of noise earlier. It's almost finished. So it says initialization complete, and press OK. Align printer to get the best print quality. Yes, I do. Perform a print head nozzle check to check print quality. And now print. Load letter A4 size plain paper and rear paper feed to start printing. Print. Invalid. Okay. The quality is good. It's pretty good. Hey. It's pretty good. It says here, are there any missing segments? I wouldn't say this is... There's some missing segments. I wouldn't say this is missing. I think it's pretty good. But I'm going to print it one more time just to see how it will come out. So I'm going to press yes. Clean print head. Yes. Clean print head is correct. Missing dots. Start cleaning. Cleaning, do not turn the power off until complete. This takes about 3 minutes. Okay. Now it says cleaning complete. Check if nozzles are not clogged. Nozzle adjustment. So there's nothing missing comparing to the very first one. The very first one, there was a spot. Just a little spot here that was missing. Now it's not there anymore, so that's good. So it says, are there any missing segments? No. Okay, so check is complete. I'm gonna set up my network. Yeah. Okay, Wi-Fi setup. Wi-Fi setup wizard. What is that? Wait, let's see what that is. Searching SSID. This is searching for nearby Wi-Fi's, I would assume. Okay, yeah, so that's the Wi-Fi. That's my mom's business, Freedom Magic. Go check her Instagram out at Freedom Magic and her website at freedommagic.com. If you guys are on Etsy, check her out at Freedom Magic as well. She sells feminine products, and body products and hair growth products. So, you know, go check our page out and, you know, show her support. Support is free, and yeah. So I'm putting in the password. Then this might take a while. Enter password 8263. Okay. How do I do that? That's the thing. How do I do that? Oh, wow. That's crazy. So I'm gonna put in the password and I'll be right back. So I had trouble setting up the Wi-Fi and I'm trying to figure it out right now, but in the next video I'll show you guys how I print on sublimation paper, because the most important thing for the startup of my business is a printer and a heat press I have behind me. So I'll show you guys everything I use to make a phone case in my next video. I hope this video was somewhat helpful. It wasn't a tutorial, it was just like me showing you guys, you know, me setting up the printer. So go follow my business account at Lexi's Lab. You know, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, and leave a comment down below if you have a question or you have a suggestion for a next video. That would be very much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Bye.